Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze and you need to remove or replace exterior front door handles, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. We have the car outside, I'll pull it in guys and I'll show you what needs to be done, everything from start to finish. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make guys at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply guys, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. If you need to buy replacement handle parts too, check out guys the links in the description of the video below. We'll share them for your convenience. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So how you guys remove the exterior door handle now? Let's explain what needs to be done. Okay, so in order to remove the exterior door handle, we'll need to remove the door panel, so make sure you stay until the end. First we'll go ahead and remove the door panel, then we'll continue guys. Now, you don't have to remove your window regulator, we just got it out so I can get more room with the camera. So let's start on removing the door panel now, and then we'll get to the exterior door handle. So, first, what do we need to do now? Right here we have two caps that we need to remove. I'm going to explain the first one right here. It's under the door handle guys, you have a cap that we need to remove. This one you just get a small screwdriver, and we pop it loose. And why we need to do that? Because there is one screw underneath. Okay, it has guys 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. Now underneath there is a screw. That screw guys, it's Torx 20. Start looking bit. We even have the power screwdriver that we're going to demonstrate in a little bit. Perfect. Now right here in the door handle we have another one. Remove that one as well. Well, actually we got 2. I don't know how we have 2 covers there. Somebody left another one. So remove that screw as well. 2 so far. If you guys need to buy any tools, any parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find tools and parts for a great price. Okay, great. Now, what we're going to do now guys, we need to get a plastic panel removal tool. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. We need to go between the door panel. Usually you want to go between the door panel and the door. And pry it open. Yep, right here I think we'll be able to do it on the bottom. It's pretty tight. This one hasn't been removed, so you're going to have multiple clips and we're going to explain about all that in a second. After that, grab it. But here, let's see if that mirror cover comes off now or later. Now we need to remove the mirror cover. It has only one clip and one fell out. Actually 2 clips guys. You can see where they're supposed to be, one here, one there. So we'll get a clip removal tool. We'll go underneath this one, and pull it out and install it on the cover, so later we can install it, otherwise we won't be able to install it. Perfect. Next we need to grab the panel and lift straight up so we can come out of the locking rod here. Just a little bit more. Perfect. Now we guys need to disconnect. We need to disconnect the cable that opens the door right here. It's supposed to spread out, then pull it, come out of the canal and pull out of the ball. And next thing that we need to do, we need to disconnect all the wires guys, for the master window switch, power locks and the mirror switch for the side mirrors. We're going to explain each one of those once we remove the panel, so you can see how we do that, because otherwise it's practically impossible. So just working on the last one now. Perfect. Right here guys, let me show you quick. On this one, you press down, you pull it out. This way, you press down here, you pull it out. On this thing right here guys, you need to pull that red thing out a little bit. Then press in here and pull it out. Now where are all the clips on that door panel? So you know what we have here. We have a clip that needs to be replaced. It's broken right here. 1, 2, clips, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips, guys, 8 clips. So 4 yellow, 4 gray ones, and the door panel comes out of there. So next we have 2 screws with Torx 20 that we need to remove again. Right here they hold that bracket for the door panel, guys, right here. So go ahead, remove those. Okay, great. Next, what do we need to do? Okay, that insulation, you have to gently pull it out without breaking it, guys. You have to be super careful because otherwise you're going to hear wind noise. Winter time, your car will not be insulated as good. Definitely you'll get colder out inside, and summertime as well. So gently, guys, start pulling that thing until we take it off. Okay, that's it. We can just leave it there, just a little bit more on this side. Okay, and that should be enough. If you want, you can remove the whole thing, but for that purpose you might need to remove the door speaker to remove the whole insulation. So next, right here when you open the door, okay, right here, guys, you have that cap that we need to remove. Okay, this cap will need to be removed all the way. So just grab it and pull it out. Okay, perfect. Now right here on the inside there is 1 screw with Torx 20, start looking bit actually. Okay, like this one here. We're going to start unscrewing that one, and at the same time while we're unscrewing, guys, okay, we're going to go ahead and grab the cylinder door lock. Okay, right here, door lock cylinder, and try to wiggle it out. Okay, right there. Now, let me explain something quick. With that thing out, now if you try to open the door, it doesn't work and you're about to freak out what's happening. You need to screw the bolt back in because it's moving that plate, and once it moves that plate more, a little bit more, okay, like that, you'll be able to open your door again. But now, how you guys remove that door handle? Let's explain that now. Now, what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, check out now how the handle moves on the inside. Okay, let's open the door handle. Open, close. Okay, so what I need to do, that thing that moves on top, okay, I'm trying to focus there a little bit. Let me see if I can focus. Yep, I need to grab it with my hand and pull it down. Okay, hold it down, and while I'm holding it down, okay, one second. We'll grab the handle and pull it out. Okay, and slide it out of there. Okay, you can see like that. Not very complicated, but it just, you can see it comes out. Why we guys need to do that? Okay, the mechanism that I was moving up and down is actually right here. Okay, let me see where it went. Okay, you can see that arm that is moving. By doing that, it will release it and you can get the handle out. Now, when you're ready to install it, okay, let's just show quick how to install it now, guys. It's very important. You go on the front first. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, pull that thing down, get the door handle in, and release. And this is it, guys. So you can see, and now I'm going to pull it down by hand, grab the handle, remove it, and it comes out.